This facility is a part of the This facility is a part of the Allen Entrepreneurial Institute. Our mission is to increase the size and number of minority and women-owned businesses. So you guys are a part of that mission today because you're here. So you
all right, and the last entrepreneur that we'd like to introduce to you this morning, I think I've known this kid for almost 4 years now. He's becoming an old senior citizen around here. I think he's a hot 13 at this point. But I want to introduce you all, and I really want you to pay attention. When you came in, you probably passed a big green bus outside. We put that up front on purpose because we wanted you to pay attention to what this young man and his family are doing. We'd like to introduce you to the rich kid, Mr. Caden Harris. Caden, come on up and tell folks who you are.